Welcome to the Wonder Garden channel, a place where we share extremely useful and easy to apply orchid care tips you can do at home. Anyone who grows orchids hopes their plants stay healthy, produce many flower spikes, and bloom beautifully. Today, I will show you how to care for orchids using organic fertilizer, a simple, easy method that almost anyone can apply. When the plant receives proper nutrition and is cared for correctly, flower spikes will appear regularly, more blooms will grow on each stem, and they will last longer. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any useful orchid care tips. To make today's fertilizer, I will use activated charcoal. First, you can use a grinder or put the charcoal into a plastic bag and crush it into fine particles. Activated charcoal has a porous structure that helps absorb impurities, eliminate odors, and improve aeration in the growing medium. When used properly, it can help enhance the conditions around the root system. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After grinding it finely, I will use 1 tablespoon of charcoal powder. Mix it with 1 liter of hot water, stirring well to disperse the particles evenly in the water. The next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds or pure ground coffee. Coffee contains small amounts of organic matter and trace nutrients such as nitrogen and potassium, which can support plants when used in low concentrations. However, it should only be considered a supplement and not a complete replacement for specialized orchid fertilizers. Stir the entire mixture well. Cover it with a lid and let it sit until the water cools completely. After about 3 hours, once the water has completely cooled, strain out all the charcoal and coffee residues, keeping only the clear liquid. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. That way, you'll have a diluted organic solution that can be used to support orchid care. Method 1. Pour the solution into a small cup, then use a cotton pad or a soft cloth to soak up the solution and gently wipe the entire leaf surface, both the top and underside. This mixture has several supportive effects as follows. Activated charcoal has a porous structure that helps absorb impurities and can assist in gently cleaning the leaf surface. When used in a diluted form, it contributes to creating a cleaner environment around the plant. Coffee contains small amounts of nitrogen and potassium, elements involved in leaf development and the plant's metabolic processes. At low concentrations, they can help the plant maintain its green color and vitality. The natural organic compounds in coffee can also help improve beneficial microbial activity when used properly and in the right amounts. Wiping the leaves not only helps the plant absorb a small amount of micronutrients through the surface, but also removes dust, allowing for more efficient photosynthesis. However, be careful not to let the solution accumulate in the leaf joints, and avoid using it too frequently. About once every 3 to 4 weeks is appropriate. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Method 2. Pour the filtered and diluted solution into a spray bottle, then mist it gently and evenly over the entire orchid plant. When spraying, remember to cover the underside of the leaves as well, since this is where many stomata are concentrated and also where pests tend to hide. The solution, containing diluted activated charcoal and coffee, can help gently clean the leaf surface and provide a small amount of organic micronutrients. At low concentrations, this mixture helps maintain a more breathable environment for the leaves. However, this is only a supplementary method for support and should not completely replace specialized orchid fertilizers. It should be applied periodically about once every 3 to 4 weeks, and you should always monitor the plant's response after use. The best time to spray is in the early morning or late afternoon, avoiding direct sunlight so the plant can absorb it better and reduce the risk of leaf burn. Method 3. With the remaining solution, I will add another 1 liter of clean water to ensure the concentration is very diluted and safe for the roots. After diluting, pour it into a watering can and gently water it evenly around the base of the orchid. Water when the growing medium is slightly dry, and do it in the morning so the roots have time to absorb and dry out during the day. You can also soak the orchid pots for about 15 minutes to allow enough time for the nutrients to be absorbed. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. This organic solution can provide a small amount of organic matter and micronutrients, while the activated charcoal may help improve the root environment by making it more aerated when used properly. However, it is only a mild supplement and should not completely replace specialized fertilizers for orchids. It should only be applied about once every 3 to 4 weeks, combined with proper watering and lighting conditions. When the root system is healthy and the growing environment is stable, the plant will develop sustainably and soon produce strong, vibrant flower spikes. After 15 minutes, take the orchids out and place them in a cool, well-ventilated area with gentle, indirect light, avoiding direct sunlight. Do not place the plant in areas that are too enclosed or overly humid, as after watering or soaking, the roots need to dry naturally to avoid the risk of waterlogging. Results. After proper care and using the solution in appropriate amounts, my orchids have shown clear improvements. The root system has become stronger, with plump green root tips that firmly attach to the growing medium. The leaves are thicker, darker green, and glossier than before. After a short time, flower spikes begin to appear. The stems grow strong and sturdy, carrying more buds. When in bloom, the flowers are vibrant, brightly colored, and long-lasting. This is the result of proper care, maintaining a well-ventilated environment, and providing balanced nutrition. When the roots are healthy and the plant is stable, beautiful blooms are only a matter of time. Without the need for chemical fertilizers, using organic methods alone, my orchids still bloom brilliantly, last longer on the stems, and can flower year-round. What do you think about caring for orchids with organic fertilizers like this? If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss simple yet effective orchid care tips in upcoming videos.